Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing guest selection errors when booking a Lightning Lane or your Lightning Lane purchase won't go through in the Disneyland mobile app, the issue is usually related to ticket eligibility, park reservations, payment information, or a temporary app problem. So most issues can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to solve these problems. Okay, so first thing, check your ticket. Start by verifying everyone's admission. Open the Disneyland app, go to the three lines here, go to my ticket and passes, confirm that every guest ticket is linked to your account. So then verify guest eligibility, like if you receive a guest selection error, confirm each selected guest has valid park admission, make sure each guest has entered the park if required for the Lightning Lane you're booking, and verify that the selected guests are eligible for the Lightning Lane product. Okay, then check your payment method, like if your purchase won't go through, verify your saved payment method is valid, like confirm your billing information is correct, make sure your card hasn't expired, and ensure sufficient funds or available credit. Okay, then troubleshoot the app, like if the problem continues, close and reopen the Disneyland app, confirm you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, update the app to the latest version, or restart your phone if necessary. So these steps often resolve problems or temporary purchase or booking issues. Okay, try again, like after troubleshooting, return to the Lightning Lane purchase screen, select your eligible guest again, and complete the purchase. If availability remains, your purchase should process successfully. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.